Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Boy's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking for you guys jollof rice. As you can all see in this nice bowl, we have jollof rice here. Wow guys, look at this, nicely cooked. We're going to serve our jollof rice with grilled chicken. This is lovely. This is the chicken that we're going to serve our jollof rice with today. Wow, this is beautiful. This is lovely, guys. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and watch my videos. If you are new subscribers, welcome to my channel, welcome to the family. Today I'm going to be cooking for us this nice delicious jollof rice. Stay tuned and let's cook our jollof rice. Thank you. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use to cook our jollof rice today. I have paprika here. I have ginger. I have garlic, carrots. I have 5 white onion and 1 red onion here. I have tomatoes here. Then I have my meat, fresh meat that I'm going to use. I'm going to use chicken to serve this jollof rice. Then I have my spring onions here. I'm going to use jasmine rice to cook our jollof rice. So now I'm going to chop some of our ingredients to season my meat. I'm going to chop some ginger. I have to season the meat and the chicken together, so I have to put it into the blender. Here I forgot to show you guys my tomato puree that I'm going to use. In this blender I've put some onion powder in here, some black pepper. I have some mixed vegetable season in here. So I'm going to blend this together to season my meat and my chicken.
Mommy,
I'm going to put my meat into this pot. These are my ingredients that I just blend. I'm going to add some into my meat. I'm going to mix everything together until everything have all the season. I'm going to put my pot to the fire because I'm going to cook my meat. I'm going to put it to cook. Now this is my chicken, because I'm going to serve this jollof rice with chicken. So this is the rest of the ingredients that I just blend. I'm going to put them in the chicken. I'm going to marinate it with this chicken, the ingredients. Now I'm going to add some of this soya sauce to marinate my chicken. This Nando sauce to marinate my chicken well. Now I'm going to add this Maggi season, the water. I'm going to add some into my chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah. I'm going to marinate this together. I'm going to squeeze some lemon into my chicken. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. A little bit of olive oil. I'm going to change my gloves. Then now I'm going to marinate the lemon that I just had into the chicken. So in this stage, we're going to put our chicken into the oven. Now our chicken is nicely marinated, so we're going to put it into the oven, and let's start with our jollof rice. Now I'm going to chop all the rest of our vegetables. I'm going to chop them and blend them. Now I have my pot into the fire. I'm going to add some of my olive oil into my pot. Now this is my blended vegetables. This is the vegetables that I blend. The oil is now hot. Now I'm going to put my vegetables in the oil. Bismillah. Now I'm going to add some of my tomato puree. That will be enough. I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to put it in a bowl. I'm going to close my pot to cook. I'm going to chop my tomatoes into the blender. I'm going to blend all of them. In this stage, I'm going to add my tomato in. Now this is our sauce been cooking for like 15 minutes. It's nicely cooking, as you all can see. When you see the oil in the top, here you have to know that your stew is now cooking well. So I'm going to leave it again for like 10 minutes. Now our meat is nicely cooked. I'm coming to fry it first. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my carrots for color in here. So I'm going to add my carrots. Okay. This is a lot of sauce. I think we have to remove some before we put the rice into the pot. Now we're going to close it and leave it for cook again for like 10 minutes. We have to watch over it because we don't want it to burn. Our meat is nicely cooked. Here, I'm going to take off my meat into this bowl. I'm going to put some olive oil into this pot because I'm going to fry my meat. Bismillah. Just a little bit of it. My oil is nicely hot. I'm going to put my meat. Bismillah. I'm going to close my pot to fry my meat nice. Our meat is nicely cooked, brown, fried, nicely fried. Now we're going to put it into our sauce. This is our sauce nicely cooking. Now I'm going to add my meat into this pot. I've put all our meat into the pot. Now I'm going to mix it together. Sorry. It's like cleaning. Wow. See, our sauce is getting nice. This jollof rice is going to be yummy. You can easily dish this sauce like this in the white rice also and eat it. You will enjoy it nicely. We're going to leave it to cook for another 15 minutes before we check it and see if we can put our rice now. So let's leave it to cook. We're going to drop our habanero peppers in there and close our pot. Our sauce is doing well. It's cooking nicely cooked. We're going to leave it to dry, nicely dry, before we decide to put our rice in the pot. Let's just patient. Leave it to cook. Now our gravy is nicely cooked. I think in this stage we have to put our rice. It's nicely dry. There's no water left in it anymore. Our sauce is nicely cooked. Now I'm going to take some of it so we can put our rice in the pot. Now I'm going to put our rice into the pot. We're going to mix the rice until all the white greens turn to this sauce. Everything's supposed to mix together. You don't supposed to see the white seeds. Now we're going to close our pot. We leave it to cook in a low heat. Our rice is doing well. We just have to turn it and watch over it and see how it's doing. So we're going to close it again for like 15 minutes. Now our rice is nicely cooking. I'm going to add these vegetables for color. Now our rice is finished. Our rice is nicely cooked. Nicely cooked. Very beautiful, golden color. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's very nice. Thank you so much for staying with me cooking this rice. Thank you. Bye.